Right.
You, at that time, had filed the list for PTI. I mean, you were on the reserve list for PTI.
Yes, that was filed way back in December
So
2023.
It seems to me, prima facie, that since the right of PTI crystallized as a matter of law on the 14th day, your right to be considered if they were number crystallized at that point in time.
मैं यही argue करने की कोशिश कर रहा हूँ. If I'm allowed to come to the questions of law, I bow.
अरे बात तो सुन लेना आप. माशाल्लाह, रुकना आजकल कोई बात.
अब अपने फेवर की बात भी नहीं
मैं सुन रहा हूँ.
Therefore, the question of locus standi prima facie seems answered.
Right, so
That you have a standing. Now the question is, you are standing before us how? My learned colleague, Justice Atar Minallah, has made us, I think, a very practical observation that let us not get caught up in the technicalities of the matter, since as a matter of constitutional law, you seem to have, the position seems to have crystallized for the reserved seats, and you being on the reserved list, seems to me that prima facie you do have standing to say, well, whatever it is you want to say.
I'm grateful for that observation. My humble plea is, hear me out and then let us see whether what I have to say makes out a cause of action on my part or not. And I bow completely that if your lordships were to come to the conclusion, and there is nothing stopping your lordships from...
If we allow you to argue, how long will you take?
My lord, an hour and 20 minutes.
No way. You can make a few points.
But they're important
एक
issues.
तो आपको indulgence दें और फिर आप
It's not
कह रहे हैं मैं
indulgence,
घंटों
my
argue
lord.
करूंगा.
It is not indulgence.
Yes, it is indulgence. If you don't even concede it as indulgence, sorry to say, that is not fair.
No, my lord, my submission
you are petition.
I am the person most impacted. मैं शुरू करने दें.
बार-बार आप वही बात कर रहे हैं.
शुरू करने दें.
चंद मिनटों में कोई points बताना हम नोट करेंगे.
मुझे शुरू करने दें.
अगर आप घंटों लगाएंगे हम आपको नहीं.
No, not घंटों, but maybe an hour or so. But
no hour or so.
ये सलमान राजा साहब.
But then I'll.
No, but
आप सुन लें.
we are giving you an indulgence.
So let us see if I
Why
have
don't you
something
start
useful
and
to
then we
say.
see how it
Yes,
goes.
Let me
Start to
start,
करें.
but I need
So
to
much
know
time
that
is
I
taken
have
up in
some
this.
time to make a...
Let's
I would have
proceed with
done
your
half the case
argument.
by now.
आप शुरू करें फिर हम
आप शुरू
We
तो
have
करें.
abandoned all work. सिर्फ आपके केस सुनेंगे हम. There are thousands of cases in the Supreme
Yes,
Court.
Lord, yes,
Have some
Lord.
pity on those people.
My lord, this is a foundational case of great importance to the future of democracy in this country. Now let me just make a few points and let's see where these points go then.
So give us your contentions first and then elaborate on it later.
And I will then submit a note as well. So my first submission is, and I'm now purely on the questions of law and the Constitution, that in Article 51(6), D and E, there is, in the text of these articles, no requirement whatsoever that an independent candidate join a party with at least one seat, directly one, at the time of the general election. There is nothing in the text.
आगे बढ़िए.
मुझे अर्ज करने दें सर. This requirement has been read into the text by both the Election Commission and the Peshawar High Court. And it would appear that this reading in has occurred because of a failure to appreciate the effect of the proviso in both these subclauses, D and E, and the use of the word secured in subclause D, and the word or the phrase proviso, one by, in the proviso to subclause D, as well as the use of the phrase one in both the main body and the proviso of subclause E.
This is the exact same point
No,
argued
it is
by
not.
Mr.
It is
Faisal.
exactly not. My lord, kindly hear me.
चलें आगे बढ़िए.
Kindly
Next
hear-
point
No,
बताइए.
kindly hear me.
Next
sir.
point बताइए.
No, it's not the next point. I need to elaborate this. इसी पे. If my lord will allow me, my lord, it will take much shorter. So the submission is, my friend was arguing that perhaps some purposive, progressive interpretation is needed. I'm submitting no progressive or purposive interpretation is needed. In fact, the very language of these clauses belies the contention that it is a sequential process whereby first one seat has to be won in the general election and only then further seats can be won through the independent members joining a party. So the language here is that independent members may join a political party, not a parliamentary party. So if the constitution makers wanted the independent members to join a party with at least one seat, the language used would have been parliamentary party.
Can't be, because at this point in time, there is no parliamentary party, because Parliament has not yet, or the National Assembly.
All right, so okay, I concede that. So the language used here is political party.
No, but you see, the thing is, what you are not speaking for myself, keeping in mind is that the main part, I'm looking at D now.
Yes.
Main part says seat secured by each political party.
Yes.
Seat secured.
Yes.
The proviso is speaking of the independent returned candidate
Yes.
joining.
Yes.
There's a distinction here.
Lord.
As I see it, suppose there is a general election and the next morning someone asks another person, how many seats did party X secure? Whatever the answer is. And suppose that person asks the question in this way.
3 days later.
How many seats did party X win? Would you, as a reasonable person, draw any distinction? No. How many seats did the party secure? How many seats did the party win?
No.
This, in the context of electoral law, it seems to me that these words are used interchangeably.
Interchangeably? Yes, I bow.
Now, the main part refers to seats secured. The proviso allows independents to join. Why? Because the independent holds a seat that is not secured
No, let me explain.
by the political party.
Let me submit.
This distinction.
Yes.
Therefore, this is the reason why I say that the proviso is the only permissible exception to the balance of proportional representation. It is an exception. Why? Because the independent candidate, the language itself calls it, it doesn't call it a seat of, it says independent candidate. The independent candidate holds a seat not won by any political party. Why? Because he's an independent.
Right,
It
so
seems to me that
let me come back to this. Let me submit.
kindly look
Let
at
me
it this
submit.
way.
Why don't I read the word secured in subclause D as referring to something more nuanced than one. And the reason for that is as follows. In the case of the women's seats, the constituency is each province. In the case of the non-Muslims, the constituency is all of Pakistan. Now what subclause D is capturing is National Assembly seats from a particular province. Normally we don't say that. Normally we say a seat won in the National Assembly. Here a further dimension is being added. It is being said seats won in the National Assembly from a province. So in order to capture
we say that because the Constitution says
Yes,
that.
so the
because
Constitution-
the Constitution divides at the level of the federation the seats according to provinces.
yes, for women, but not for
Previously, all-
non-Muslims.
No, the general seats. The general seats are divided according.
Yes, yes. So I'm submitting that when we relate.
इसीलिए तो है ना, from each province allocation की
Yes,
गई है
yes. So
ना,
what I'm saying, I'm agreeing completely with my lord. I'm saying when the reference is to National Assembly seats from a province, the word used by the constitution maker is secured because it is capturing that additional element. And when it is with reference to non-Muslims, the language used is one because there is only one constituency, which is all of Pakistan. So the word secured is capturing this additional nuance that the seat was one, but one from a province. That is the only difference between subclause D and subclause E, my lords, if I may. Lord, I'm trying to explain the difference between the language in clause D and clause E. Clause D talks of seats secured in the main body of the provision before the proviso. Clause E talks of seats won in the main body. And then the proviso in both clauses D and E talk of seats won. So what I'm submitting is that the word secured is wider than one, the word one, and it is capturing the provincial affiliation of a National Assembly seat. And that is why they've used a wider term, but it includes the concept of winning a seat. And what Article 51
पहले जरा अपना जो आप कहना चाहते हैं पहले अपनी वो प्रोपोजिशन को कर दें फिर हम देखेंगे कि आपकी
यानी
इंटरप्रिटेशन
अगर आपकी रिक्वेस्ट हम मान लें तो आपको क्या मिलेगा? आप
वो
उस पार्टी
आप
के
जरा वो
कैंडिडेट हो जाएंगे।
जी मुझे
इतनी सी बात है ना।
नहीं सर, मुझे जरा इसको
नहीं, एक मिनट
इंटरप्रेट करने
आप
दें।
देखें ना, अगर आपकी पिटीशन मान ली जाए, आप चाहते ही हैं कि आपको SIC कैंडिडेट बना दे।
एक मिनट पे मैं चाहता हूं
आप
पहले
मुझे
कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन को
बना
समझ
देंगे।
लें, फिर कॉन्सिक्वेंसेस विल
की बात नहीं है। आप अपनी प्रेयर क्लास पढ़ लें।
कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन को तो हम समझ लेना थोड़ा सा।
नहीं, पहले जब जब कुछ आएगा
नहीं सर, मुझे थोड़ा सा
प्रॉब्लम ये हो रहा है कि आपका दिल है PTI में,
नहीं सर, आई एम जस्ट नाउ
बहस आप कर रहे हैं SIC की।
नहीं सर।
वो हमें इतजाद नजर आ रहा है ना। देखिए प्लीज, हमको आपको बार बार एक सेकंड सुन ले। आई एम सेइंग फॉर माई सेल्फ, दिस मैटर जो आपने पिटिशन फाइल की थी बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट, कि क्या आप पॉलिटिकल एफिलिएशन PTI की निकाल सकते थे इलेक्शन से कि नहीं, वो आगे केस नहीं चला। एक प्रॉब्लम आ रहा है जिसपे आप अगर तो ये हमें बहस करते कि वो केस एक फैसला आ गया, बीच में रुक गया है या आपने पुरसू नहीं किया, वो फिर भी हम उसका कॉग्निजेंस ले सकते हैं किसी तरह। ये तो बहस करते तो हम सुनते। जिस तरह माय ब्रदर इज सेइंग दैट यू आर आर्ग्यूइंग द केस ऑफ SIC,
No, sir, let me-
मैक्सिमम तो आपको चलिए करें आप
अपनी प्रोपोजिशन हमें बता दें
my proposition is this, my proposition is this.
राजा साहब
अपने propositions करें जल्दी.
सर, मुझे करने दें
No,
थोड़ा
we won't ask. You just proceed. We keep asking you.
साहब,
The matter will never end.
एक चीज नहीं समझ आ रही।
जी।
It is all about 87 seats.
Yes, sir.
Correct?
Quite so.
86 went and joined one person.
Yes.
While they all claim to be belonging to a political party.
Yes.
वो आपकी मजबूरी जरा बता दें, because this court can also take that into consideration for 86 candidates contesting election as a political party candidates and joining one person. So there must have been some reason to that.
मैं अर्ज कर देता हूं. The reason was twofold. One, we were told that we would not be treated as a political party, that the explanation and Rule 94 would be applied widely, and there was a risk there that we would not be treated as a political party, and we really had a very limited time period in which to make this decision. Should we join PTI, declare ourselves as PTI after being elected, or should we go to another party which was not under a cloud? Secondly, we were being told from various quarters that a reference under Article 17 for disbanding, declaring PTI as a party against the ideology of Pakistan would be moved, and therefore to be secure and safe, we did not want to sit in a party that may ultimately get declared against the ideology of Pakistan.
Presumption के साथ
सर, अब मुझे अर्ज करने दो, मैं आपको हकीकत बता रहा हूँ. सवाल पूछा है कि क्यों आपने ये किया.
नहीं,
There was
sorry,
some rationality to it.
अगर आपके ख्याल में PTI में कोई वकील नहीं होता और पहली दफा कोई पार्टी इलेक्शन लड़ रही होती है तो आप कोई भी मफरूजे खड़े कर सकते हैं.
मैं नहीं इसलिए करना
आप जरा सुन लीजिए, एक बात आप सुनते नहीं हैं. तो अब आप या तो हम आपके मफरूजों पे चलेंगे.
ना चलिए.
आप कैन यू नॉट वेट? आई मीन आप जब बात करते हैं हम खामोशी से सुन लेते हैं ना, तो फिर अब आप सुन लीजिए ना, दूसरे की बात किया तो आपको समझ तो आए. अब हम पता नहीं मैं एक बात कहाँ से शुरू कर रहा था जी. अगर आपकी बड़ी कोई मजबूरी है, आप क्या मजबूरियों पे चलेंगे या आइन पे चलेंगे? जी मुझे पर ये मजबूरी है, अच्छा भाई आइन छोड़ दो. मुझ पे ये मजबूरी है, आइन छोड़ दो. जी वो कल हर आदमी को कहेगा मेरी ये मजबूरी है, हम कानून पे अमल नहीं करते हैं. हम ये मजबूरी है, मैं रेड लाइट पे नहीं रुकूंगा, मेरी ये मजबूरी है, मैंने डाका डाल लिया. ये मजबूरियों पे तो मुल्क नहीं चलेंगे
No,
ना.
may I respond? Murad?
आप आइन पे चलाइए.
Yes, Murad. Senior counsels deliberated on this, and they
They
decided.
gave you wrong advice.
Okay, maybe. But
No,
that's
maybe
your
then you
lordship-
can sue them.
No, that's what your lordship.
Then sue them.
So मुझे argue करने दें. And it was decided that there was no harm in joining SIC. Now this was a decision taken, and I will submit that this was not necessarily an incorrect decision or one that somehow causes detriment to us as regards the reserved seats.
आपने पर्सनली ये डिसीजन आपने एक्सेप्ट नहीं किया. That's why you have challenged it.
Learned Counsel,
That's why you have challenged
let's start with the propositions first. Please, आप
मुझे
अपनी propositions बता दें.
जी मेरी propositions जरा सुन लीजिए फिर. Okay, there is number one was that there is no requirement in Article 5160 or E of a sequential securing or winning of seats. These provisions allow a view of the situation that has emerged in the National Assembly after independents have joined a political party upon the expiry of 3 days. So it is looking at the situation that has finally emerged after 3 days have elapsed and independents have joined political parties. It is at that point in time that the law, the constitution is saying that
Which
the...
political party? Even a political party that has not contested the election.
Yes, that's my submission. So political parties have come into existence now within the House, those that contested.
Just hang on.
Ji.
Because you are saying that a literal reading of,
Yes, a literal reading.
let's read it literally.
जी, फिर पढ़ लेती हैं।
On your premise now, to understand your premise that, or your argument that even a party that has not contested
Yes.
the election. Now, let's go back to paragraph B.
जी. So I'll read D again. Members to the seats reserved for women which are allocated to a province under clause 3 shall be elected. So this is an election which is taking
Kindly
place
read-
in accordance with law through proportional representation system of political parties, lists of candidates on the basis of total number of general seats secured by each political party from
Kindly
the
stop.
So,
If the word had been secured by a political party, maybe you would have a case. But the word used is by each political party.
yes.
That seems to me to indicate that this is referring to a political party that at the very least has contested the general election. आपकी जो इंटरप्रिटेशन है ना कि जी कोई भी हो भाई वो 10 इंडिपेंडेंट है ट्रू इंडिपेंडेंट so वो नो कोई झगड़ा नहीं है कुछ मसला नहीं है वनीला टाइप जनरल इलेक्शन कोई फड्डा नहीं नथिंग नो इलेक्शन सिंबल इशू नथिंग उसमें 10 वो इंडिपेंडेंट्स ट्रू इंडिपेंडेंट्स सिलेक्ट हो जाते हैं ठीक है वो 10 एक पॉलिटिकल पार्टी को ज्वाइन कर लेते हैं which is not in the electoral fray ठीक है आप कह रहे हैं कि
They are now a political party.
no
No.
it's not that a political
The
party
other question is
हम
did they
सिर्फ
participate?
हम पैराग्राफ डी पे दो देख रहे आगे की बात नहीं कर रहे हैं आप फरमा रहे हैं कि वो 10 के 10 जो हैं वो भी इसको इंटाइटल हो गए फर्ज करो उस पे एक सीट मिलती है 10 MNS पे वो भी इंटाइटल हो जाते हैं
Yes.
आपकी बात और यू सेइंग दिस इज लिटरल रीडिंग ऑफ
Yes.
आपकी बात तो मुझे स्पीकिंग फॉर माई सेल्फ तब समझ आती कि उसमें शायद कोई पॉइंट होता इफ सिक्योर्ड बाय अ पॉलिटिकल पार्टी बट इट इज नॉट सेइंग दैट इट इज सेइंग सिक्योर्ड बाय ईच पॉलिटिकल पार्टी so it is implying this that there is more than one political party that has secured the seats
Yes.
and that is going to the general election
Yes.
so
Okay,
how
let
do
me
you
respond
explain
to
the
that.
word each
This is critical. This goes to the heart of the matter. My submission is that the word each political party refers to political parties that are there after the 3 days have elapsed. The proviso, in fact, is obliterating that distinction between a party that has originally won a seat at the time of the general election, a direct seat, and parties that have won seats on account of
so your
independence
case is that
joining
the
them.
proviso is not a true proviso it's
Yes,
a,
the
As
proviso.
per your understanding, what is the political party? I mean, where do you draw the line of these requirements have to be fulfilled and they become a political party?
So political party, I would go with the definition in the Election Act, section 2, subsection 28. It is a party which stands enlisted with the Election Commission as a party, and the definition doesn't require it to have contested the election.
So it has to be enlisted is one
Yes,
requirement?
yes.
What else?
It says political party means an association of citizens or a combination or group of such associations formed with a view to propagating or influencing.
ये हो गया ना जी एक आपने requirement कही enlistment और कोई requirement है?
Nothing. It does not have to have contested the last election. It
देखिए
should...
इसमें जरा फर्क इतना है कि no doubt you are a political party, enlisted political party. The question is whether every party which is registered has a right to get share in the reserve seats.
If independents join it, yes, that is my submission. There is no bar in this provision, and in fact, the proviso normally is an exception. It normally creates an exception, but there is case law, and I'm presenting that. Kindly see, I've placed a paper book.
Akram Saab, you have just read the definition of political party.
your case is
What
is
about
now
section
in
104?
contrast to
Section 104 भी तो ये है ना कि political party contesting the election, they will be entitled for the reserve.
So 104 पे मैं अलहदा से आऊंगा. Let me come to
But
104.
Mr. Salman, keep in mind that your submission is contradicting because Mr. Faisal Siddiqui, if I've understood him correctly, has argued that the proviso is a true proviso.
So let me, no, both arguments can be taken into account.
There is now a variance.
Well, this is a question of law. I'll submit you can look at it two ways. Kindly see in the
Precisely,
paper
it's a
book.
question of law, therefore I'm putting it to you.
Yes.
That you are now arguing in a different vein
But sometimes arguments are made in the alternative. I mean, your lordships can choose which argument to
What
accept.
argument is in the alternative to Mr. Faisal Siddiqui?
It can be, my lord, as an officer of
Is
the
it
court.
in the alternative to you
My
yourself?
lord, as an officer of the court, I can present different arguments, and your lordships can see which argument is ultimately weightier.
नहीं, आगे बढ़े ना प्लीज
जी मैं बढ़ रहा हूँ.
मैंने आपका अभी तक एक जुमला लिखा है
जी जी मैं ये important जुमला है. This is the heart of the matter. Now kindly see in this paper book I present a judgment.
जजमेंट छोड़िए केस
ये बहुत जरूरी है on the question of proviso.
पहले
What-
अपना proposition
Proposition
बता
तो
जी,
बता दें.
proposition ये है that the effect of the proviso is to extinguish the difference between seats won at the time of the general election, direct seats won at the time of the general election, and seats won subsequently on account of independents joining a political party. So my submission is that Article 51(6)(d) and E is providing a route to election to the National Assembly.
Why did the Constitution go through the trouble and bother of putting it in a proviso?
मैं इस करता हूं.
If your interpretation is correct, in very simple language, the entire thing could have been put in one paragraph.
Well, that's a
Why put it as
stylistic.
a proviso?
That's a stylistic thing, and that is why I placed reliance.
No, it's not. It's not stylistic. It's not stylistic because, as I asked Mr. Faisal Siddiqui, the proviso applies, and I think again you are also, with all due respect, not focusing on the opening words of the proviso.
Lord.
For the purposes of this paragraph,
Yes.
an independent, a true independent can join a political party at any time through the life of of that particular assembly.
Yes, and
But that won't count insofar as the proportional representation is concerned.
but this paragraph.
This is the reason why.
My lord, मैं अर्ज करूं. This paragraph is in fact dealing with the proportional representation question and the seats to be won by each party on the basis of proportional representation. It is not dealing with subsequent events of an independent.
And therefore it is restricting the independence, firstly for the purposes of this proviso, and then within a time limit of 3 days.
Yes, but
Which seems to me, and I'm putting this question to you,
Yes, Your Honor.
to indicate that it is a true proviso and not a substantive provision.
my lord, now let me come to page 63 of this paper book. I start at page 60 and then I'll come to our own case law where this particular judgment has been noted with approval.
Lekin Raja Saab, you have to take a specific position. Whether PTI candidates, 86 of them that contested elections as independents, or
In
they
the case in-
contested the elections as candidates of a political party, PTI.
My lord, we
Now
wanted
that stance, you cannot change that stance,
My
you
lord,
see.
my lord, there is the legal position and there is our position. The legal position is that the Election Commission treated us as independents, gave us symbols out of the symbols
Raja
allocated
Saab,
to independents.
Raja Saab, as my Lord Justice Mansoor Ali Shah correctly stated, that it is such a great public importance issue that your petition was probably more important. That could not have been returned.
Could not have been
Now,
returned.
if you are abandoning that,
I'm not abandoning that. I'm
Again,
saying
you
that
see-
issue is before your lordships.
if we do not take notice of this matter under Article 184(3) of the Constitution, the people, their rights will be affected.
I bow and I say,
So you have to take a very clear stance.
My lord, I don't know what will find favor with your lordships, so I'm making two submissions, two alternative submissions.
देखिए आपकी अगर बात ये होती कि आपकी अगर ये बात होती कि आप रिजर्व सीट पीटीआई की रिजर्व सीट पे आप नॉमिनेटेड थे, जो पीटीआई के कैंडिडेट हैं उनको न तो वहां जाना चाहिए था न उनको आजाद डिक्लेयर करना चाहिए
सर, ये हो गया ना।
हमारा नहीं हो तो आपने
कमीशन ने कर दिया।
आपने होने दिया।
उन्हें नहीं दिया सर, हमने
आपने challenge नहीं किया।
हम हाई कोर्ट में गए, हम इलेक्शन कमीशन में गए, हम सुप्रीम कोर्ट गए, by then elections
लेकिन
had
वापस चले
happened
गए।
and the situation had changed very drastically.
एजिटेट किए बगैर वापस चले गए।
नहीं सर, एजिटेट हमने किया, हम सुप्रीम कोर्ट आए, जब हमें वापस हो गया, उसके बाद इलेक्शन हो गया, we then got involved in our election
आपने
disputes.
चैम्बर अपील फाइल नहीं की, आपने इस पिटीशन
ये काम नहीं किया, चेंबर अपील नहीं
तो
की,
आप
बाकी सब
अकेले,
कुछ किया
सलमान साहब ये आप अकेले लगे हुए थे। आपसे पूछना ये कि इतना इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट है, उस पे पार्टी कहाँ कहाँ थी? It was such an important constitutional question.
Yes.
Where was
And
the
I
party?
was doing my
नहीं,
best.
आपने जवाब तो दें.
Ji, ji.
आपने
They were
embarrassed-
relying on me. I suppose they thought I have raised this issue. And then when elections had happened and what happened to us, we were immediately involved before the Election Commission with our applications for recount and for re-examination and so on. The whole scenario changed after the 8th. Now kindly let me
अपने
just...
सब आप ये नहीं समझते कि अगर आपकी ऑपोजिशन आज लगी होती तो सिचुएशन ऑल टुगेदर डिफरेंट होती.
Sir, वो आप लगा लें. It is in your
कैसे लगा
hands.
लें आपको? हम आज भी रिक्वेस्ट नहीं कर रहे.
Then, my lord, then I would submit. Then, as my lord is pointing out, Justice Atar Manilla, this is in your lordship's.
Please
power.
argue your case.
Yes, my lord. But इसको जरा-
I've not moved ahead.
आपने एक जुमला लिख लिया, मेरे 3 जुमले
हाँ,
होंगे
तो वो
सर.
चलिए
3
ना, आगे
जुमले
बढ़े ना,
होंगे. ये जरा 1 मिनट देख लीजिए. This proviso needs to be clarified. I am placing reliance on a Privy Council judgment which is then approved in our own jurisprudence. This is at page 61 of this paper book that I've placed before your lordships. And the question here was whether a proviso, what is the function of a proviso? Whether it is
Sorry, which
always...
case are you referring to?
This is, the case is titled The Commissioner of Stamp Duties versus Alan Cavey Atwell. And this is 1973 Appeal Cases 558, Privy Council. And this has been noted with approval in 2017 PTD page 1. I've placed that judgment here as well. Now kindly see on the question of what a proviso does. This matter had come to the Privy Council from Australia, where the High Court had taken the view that a proviso can only restrict what precedes it and do nothing more. And I read at page 63. Their lordships are not able to agree with this conclusion, while in many cases that is the function of a proviso. It is the substance and content of the enactment, not its form, which has to be considered, and that which is expressed to be a proviso may itself add to and not merely limit or qualify that which precedes it. Then I skip the next paragraph. I go down to the paragraph thereafter. In my view, that is not the case here, and as Lord Herschel pointed out in the same case, of course a proviso may be used to guide you in the selection of one or other of 2 possible constructions of the words to be found in the enactment, and show when there is doubt about its scope, when it may reasonably admit of doubt as to its having the scope or that which is the proper view to take of it. My lords, that is precisely the method of construction which in my view is applicable in the present case. I will add that the words beginning, provided that, are in my opinion additional and explanatory words necessary for the purpose of giving a more definite meaning to the preceding words, that is of removing doubt as to its scope, and they might easily have been incorporated in the earlier part of the section at the risk of making it rather more cumbrous than it is. We are not dealing here with a true proviso, or at any rate not with such a proviso as this House was considering in the case cited. It cannot, I think, be disputed that in construing a section of an Act of Parliament, it is constantly necessary to explain the meaning of the words by an examination of the purport and effect of other sections in the same Act. This principle is equally applicable in the case of different parts of a single section, and nonetheless that the latter part is introduced by the words provided that or like words. There can, I think, be no doubt that the view expressed in Kent's commentaries on American law is correct. The true principle undoubtedly is that the sound interpretation and meaning of the statute on a view of the enacting clause, saving clause and proviso taken and construed together is to prevail. And this goes on in the next page, just one line at page 64. The third line from the top. But in the present case, not only is the first part of the section deficient in express definition, but the second part is complementary and necessary in order to ascertain the full intention of the legislature. Now let me pause here.
Please pause. Now here. This is the Constitution of Pakistan.
Yes.
If I have to refer to the Privy Council to understand it, then it fails its purpose. ये लोगों के लिए बनाया गया आइन, ये लोगों के मुंतखब लोगों ने बनाया आइन. अब हमें प्रिवी काउंसिल की इंटरप्रिटेशन की कोई जरूरत नहीं है जब चीज वाजे हो.
But this is the only...
अब आप इसमें नहीं कोई आदमी नहीं समझ सकता है, इसीलिए आइन को कोई वक़्त आप नहीं दे रहे हैं, क्योंकि आइन को आम किताब है, कोई भी पढ़ के उसको समझ सकता है, कोई मुश्किल काम नहीं है इसमें। अब आप जाएं कि नहीं ये इंटरप्रिटेशन के लिए मुझे प्रिवी काउंसिल जाना होगा और फिर सिंध हाई कोर्ट के पास जाना होगा, क्योंकि सिर्फ और सिर्फ वो अंग्रेज हमें समझा सकेगा कि हमने जो अपने लिए चीज किताब जरा सुन दे, आप सुन ही नहीं रहे हैं, बार बार इशारे कर रहे हैं। अब आप देख, हमने आपको बिल्कुल सुन लिया ना आराम से, बीच में बोला मैं कोई तो जरा तहम्मुल से करें ना। मुझे नहीं तो ये जरा ये देखिए आइन को कोई अहमियत है इसकी। कोई आदमी आता है, कोई आ जाता है बाहर से चल के आ जाता है, उस पर कहने के जी उसका मतलब ये, तो 4 जजेस को जमा करके उनको बिठा दें, उसका मतलब ये भाई ये बात नहीं, जो आइन जो वाजे है उस पे अमल कर रहे हैं, हमें प्रिवी काउंसिल को छोड़ दीजिए।
ठीक हो गया सर। अब आप देखिए, वी मूव अवे फ्रॉम द प्रिवी काउंसिल।
जो सीधा साधा आइन है,
सीधा साधा आइन ही मैं अर्ज कर रहा हूं। Therefore my submission is that when we read the two parts of clause D and E together, the main body and the proviso, what comes out is as follows. There is a constitutional principle, a salient feature. The democracy, representative form of government are integral to the Constitution. That is the principle. And the Constitution here has an envisaged outcome, which is a representative National Assembly. So we start with the principle of democracy and representative form of government and the legislature being representative. And the outcome is the National Assembly. In between, there is a machinery provision. The machinery provision in Article 51 is the principle of proportional representation. Now, partly, this is a method of election. It calls it, Article 51, 6D, says that this is how women will be elected to the reserved seats. This is how non-Muslims will be elected to the reserved seats. So this is an election which is going on, and a mechanism is given. Now the question therefore is, when we take this in its entirety, the two parts of both clauses D and E, we are to uphold the democratic principle, the representativeness principle, which is at the heart of the Constitution, and ensure that the National Assembly that emerges on account of these two methods of election, the general election for the direct election for the general seats and the proportional representation election for the reserved seats, both reflect the will of the people. That is what my Lord Justice Manilla has been alluding to, that what is at play here is the will of the people. Now this is the higher principle that this...
अगर will of the people का आप आर्ग्यूमेंट करें तो फिर तो प्रोपोर्शनल रिप्रेजेंटेशन होना ही नहीं चाहिए, सीधा साधा उनको कैंडिडेट बना दें। हमें ये क्या बात है विल ऑफ द पीपल? आप ये लफ्ज तो जुमले तो अच्छे इस्तेमाल कर रहे हैं, मगर जो सिस्टम दिया हुआ आइन में, देखिए वो बार बार मैं उसी में आ रहा हूँ। आप
मुझे अर्ज करने दें, an election is reflects the will of the people.
या तो कोई पॉइंट्स लिखें तो मैं लिखूं, आप अगर फलसफे की बात कर रहे हैं वो मैं नहीं लिखूंगा। मैं इसलिए आपको बार बार आइन पे ला रहा हूँ कि आइन पे फोकस
आइन ही मैं पढ़ रहा हूँ। मैं अर्ज ये कर रहा हूँ कि इस क्लॉज को जब आप पढ़ेंगे 51(6)D को,
पढ़ लिया,
विल ऑफ द पीपल को लेते हैं, विल ऑफ द पीपल। अब ये बताएं, जब विल ऑफ द पीपल ने तो वोट दिया इंडिपेंडेंट नहीं, उनने पीटीआई के कैंडिडेट्स को दिया, ठीक। अब वो who decided that they will join? Is there a mechanism? Is it allowed in your party? Was any process followed by the party to say okay? क्योंकि देखें, जब आप वोट लेने गए उस वोटर को क्या ये था कि आपने ज्वाइन करना है एससीसी?
जी मैं अर्ज करूं सर। अब आप एक
राजा साहब जी सच कह दीजिएगा, कोई फर्क नहीं है।
बिल्कुल सच कहूंगा।
सुप्रीम कोर्ट
वो माय लॉर्ड सेज,
I don't know why everyone is so hesitant to suppress the truth.
सर हुआ यूं कि जब हमें डिक्लेयर कर दिया इलेक्शन कमीशन ने कि हम इंडिपेंडेंट हैं, so our symbols were those of independence. There are two lists of symbols. One were symbols for
आपकी एक पार्टी कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन है ना जी?
जी।
उस कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन में प्रोसीजर होगा कि अगर कोई इमरजेंसी हो तो ये पार्टी डिसीजन ले जा सकती है, हम ये कर सकते हैं। लेकिन आप यू कांट ये नहीं कह सकते कि जी there were 3 senior lawyers who got together and they decided. It's a political party. It has a constitution. आप हमें,
so this is a very unexpected situation. Nobody envisaged a situation like this. But anyway, it had emerged.
इसके repercussions भी आप अपने ज़हन में
You
रखें।
didn't expect to win.
No, we didn't expect to be independence, declared independence by the
but
election
you
commission.
didn't expect to win.
No, of course we expected to win, but we did not.
तो देखिए तो फिर क्या मतलब आप आगे क्या कर रहे हैं?
कर रहा हूँ कि once
या प्लीज मुझसे कुछ आप लिखवा लेना, ये तो हम जनरल गपशप
my
कर रहे हैं।
friends, your friends are writing. I assure my lord that your friends are writing a lot. मुझे अर्ज करने दें, I will encapsulate everything and
Propositions
give a written
बताइए
note.
ना, अगला बताइए।
My proposition was
Sir, राजा साहब ये मैं जो
मुझे जवाब देने दिए अफरीदी साहब का।
जेफरी साहब वाले में मैं ऐड करना चाह रहा था. This actually brings us to a very important question which just crops up incidentally, is that, and it actually emanates from that question, that this returned independent candidate is taking a decision on his own, while we're basing the entire argument on the right of vote of an electorate. So there are millions of people who voted for this gentleman to join PTI, and he, in his discretion, decides to join somebody else with a different manifesto, whatever. Is there, sounds very odd actually, that this one man has just decided to go some other
But one has
direction.
not. The reality is,
And he could have gone, maybe, suppose, what if he joins PMLN? Or what if he joins, he has a choice. मैं hypothetical सवाल पूछ रहा हूँ. What if he joined?
let me respond both
So,
hypothetically and
मतलब वो
factually.
जो फिर जो सारा हमारा argument है कि voters का right protect करें,
जी.
electorate का right protect करें, हमने तो candidate को vest कर दी सारी
मैं
power.
अर्ज करूं. Now, this is what the
कैसे
Constitution is.
reconcile करते हैं?
हालांकि ये पावर्स उनको हासिल इसलिए नहीं है कि अगर वो ऐसा करेंगे, एक पार्टी का कैंडिडेट दूसरी पार्टी में जाएगा तो डिफेक्शन क्लॉज 63 में आएगा.
वो बात की बात है
उसको
सर,
अपने
अभी
किसी
नहीं
ने गौर से
अभी
नहीं देखा.
वो तो पार्टी हेड की डिस्क्रेशन होती है whether to- मैं एक मिनट अर्ज करने दें
ये
मुझे.
राजा साहब ये बड़ा डेंजरस होगा
जी.
आइंदा के लिए.
जी.
यू आर एक्सपेक्टिंग दिस कोर्ट टू स्टैम्प समथिंग कि आइंदा के लिए पॉलिटिकल इंजीनियरिंग के दरवाजे खोल दिए जाए
नहीं, बिल्कुल ना
कि
खोले जाएं.
वोट वो किसी एक नाम पे लें. नाउ आइदर यू कंप्लीटली टेल द ट्रूथ.
तो मुझे अर्ज करने
यहाँ
देना.
पे फातिमा जिन्ना के इलेक्शन से लेके आज तक
Sir, मुझे-
people have been robbed.
Sir,
So
मुझे-
either say that people were robbed
Sir,
in
मैं
8 February.
बात नहीं करना चाहता which will attract the comment that this is politics. I want to remain purely in constitutional law and respond to my Lord Justice Afridi's question. Sir, I would submit that the Constitution envisages that independents will join or may join political parties, and therefore when a person declared an independent candidate goes to the electorate seeking votes, the electorate knows that this person upon being elected may or will join some political party. So they trust that person and they allow him that latitude, that authority to get their
Here I'll
votes.
just ask one question. When they won as independents, what was preventing them from joining PTI?
मैंने पहले अर्ज किया था.
No, please tell me again. If you've answered it already, I missed it.
No, Lord. There were two reasons. One was that there was doubt that the election.
Legal impediment कोई नहीं था.
नहीं. Section 94 key explanation was still standing in front of us, and we were worried that we may be declared not a political party.
Section 94 की explanation.
Rule 94 key explanation.
Rule 94 पे आप rely कर रहे हो.
सर एक मिनट सर.
और अगर उसको पढ़ ले आप तो
सर
उसमें
एक मिनट सर.
पढ़ ले उसको.
नहीं सर एक मिनट ठहर जाइए.
वो रूल
सर,
पढ़ ले.
मेरी
94
गुजारिश सिर्फ ये सुन लें
94 पढ़ ले.
कि योर लॉर्डशिप.
इनका मतलब है समझेंगे बेहतर अगर हम पढ़ लें ना साथ साथ.
जी.
तो उसमें तो SIC भी आएगी. पढ़ ले जरा.
इसमें आप voter को ultimately it is the will of the voter. So even for an independent candidate, the voter who has voted for the
आप
independent
94 पढ़ ले,
has
please.
authorized that candidate.
94 पढ़
जी.
ले. आप रिलाई कर रहे हो.
Ji, for the purpose of this rule, the expression political party means a political party to which a symbol has been allocated by the commission. Now, there is a narrow reading.
आपका कहना ये है कि आप इस रूल से जो कि लेजिस्लेशन भी नहीं है, जो कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन में नहीं है, उसके डर से आपने सारा कुछ किया
this
और
was there,
पीटीआई को अबैंडन कर दिया.
अबैंडन नहीं किया सर, हमने इसको चैलेंज किया, हमने हाई कोर्ट गए, इलेक्शन कमीशन गए, सुप्रीम कोर्ट गए, बट देन मैटर्स ओवरटुक अस, द इलेक्शन हैपेंड, we had 3 days to
जब
decide.
आपने ऐसी लूज बॉल खेलेंगे ना, हम सुप्रीम कोर्ट गए, बताइए कहाँ गए, ये ना कहिए
तो
आप नहीं गए सुप्रीम कोर्ट.
इसमें रिजेक्ट होगी ना, हमारी वापस हो गई थी. अभी
नहीं
मैंने
वापस हो गई तो वो एक दफ्तर में किसी ने बैठे, आपने अपील नहीं फाइल की.
सर उसकी सर्कमस्टांसेस
नहीं, अब ये देखें ना, कम से कम लेट्स फॉर अ लॉयर टू यूज करेक्ट टर्मिनोलॉजी तो हम कर सकते हैं
आपको किसी ने
ना. ये
मना
कहना सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने कर दिया, ये बिल्कुल नहीं किया सुप्रीम
यहाँ
कोर्ट.
पे आपको किसी ने मना
Office of the Supreme
नहीं,
Court.
किसी-
The office of the Supreme Court does not exercise judicial power.
राजा साहब किसी ने आपको किसी
You
ने
don't have to agree. That's a fact.
Some of the circumstances were such that
अभी circumstances पे आ जाते हैं
पर
कभी.
ये जरूरी है to understand the circumstances.
क्या सर्कमस्टांसेस है कि आप सुप्रीम कोर्ट के गेट में तो एंटर हो सकते थे.
नहीं,
रजिस्ट्रार
सर.
एक मिनट सुन ले, रजिस्ट्रार तक जा सकते थे, लेकिन उस रजिस्ट्रार के ऑर्डर के खिलाफ जो लॉ ने रूल्स citizens ने रेमेडी प्रोवाइड की, अपील की, आज भी आपको किसी ने मना नहीं किया।
सर, इसकी वजह से हम डिनाई कर देंगे द राइट टू रिजर्व सीट्स टू करोड्स ऑफ वोटर्स हु हैव
अगर आप
वोटेड।
लेना नहीं चाहेंगे, हम कैसे
नहीं सर,
देंगे?
क्यों नहीं लेना चाहेंगे?
आप आए?
दैट राइट हैज क्रिस्टलाइज्ड।
अगर आप लोग गलत तशरीह करें खुद,
तशरीह गलत नहीं की हमने।
हम क्या कर सकते हैं?
सर, हमने कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल बॉडीज का दरवाजा खटखटाया। इलेक्शन कमीशन इज अ हाई कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल बॉडी।
फिर मान लीजिए उनका फैसला, अगर आप उससे खुश हैं।
Therefore, उन्होंने कहा कि आप इंडिपेंडेंट हो। We had no choice then but to contest the election as independent. We had different
वो तो
symbols.
मैं मान ली बात।
ठीक हो गया।
जब जीतने के, मैंने आपका सवाल ये नहीं था कि आपके कैसे कंटेस्ट किया, मैंने कहा आप जीत गए, ठीक है,
जीत गए।
अब सवाल आप उस पर फोकस ही नहीं कर रहे हैं। सवाल ये था कि अब जो जीते हुए कैंडिडेट से, अगर वो उनको सुन्नी इत्तेहाद काउंसिल था सामने, जो कि एग्जिस्ट नहीं करता था पार्लियामेंट में, ठीक है, एक और पार्टी थी, उसका नाम था पाकिस्तान तहरीक PTI, पाकिस्तान तहरीक इंसाफ। ये दो पॉलिटिकल, सर सुन, अब मैंने सवाल खत्म नहीं किया ना। ये दो पॉलिटिकल पार्टीज थी, ठीक है, अगर उनकी नहीं थी कोई पोजीशन पार्लियामेंट में, इनकी भी कोई पोजीशन पार्लियामेंट में नहीं थी, दोनों एट पार थे, चले हम ये भी मान लेते हैं दोनों एक पार थे, तो आपने इंतखाब PTI का क्यों नहीं किया? आपने सुन्नी इत्तेहाद काउंसिल का इंतखाब क्यों किया? मेरे हिसाब से आपका बहुत अच्छा केस हो सकता था अगर आप PTI का इंतखाब कर रहे हैं। और ये बार बार आपको कह रहा हूँ, कल ही अगर इनका मूड इनका चेंज हो गया, जो लोग कंट्रोल करते हैं सुन्नी इत्तेहाद काउंसिल में, आप कहीं के भी नहीं रहेंगे। तो ये अच्छी, आप इधर जाना चाहे तो उधर चले जाते। अब आपने कहा क्योंकि एक रूल बनाया था किसी ने, जो कि जिसकी कोई लीगल वो नहीं है, पार्लियामेंट नहीं बनाता है रूल, सब डेलीगेटेड लेजिस्लेशन होता है, उसमें एक एक्सप्लेनेशन आ गया था, उसकी वजह से मैंने कहा।
जी, and it is the law, and the election commission had upheld it, and the high court had refused to interfere with it, and we had come to the Supreme Court, the registrar had returned
the
it.
reason was that the Supreme Court judgment denying the election symbol was being interpreted by the,
मुझे अर्ज करने दे, मैं अर्ज
Commission in a
करूं।
certain
बिल्कुल
way.
क्वाइट सुमनो, that's the context.
That's the whole basis on which the matter proceeded. But you see, Mr. Salman Raja, we are drifting from your submission that the proviso is an
Planetary and
is a sort of independent provision and not a true proviso. You see, the way I look at it is that this whole concept of reserved seats for women and minorities is for a certain purpose. But the reason why the constitutional principle is laid down that it has to be only proportional is precisely because the political parties have entered the electoral fray and the electorate has returned them. That balance should not be disturbed. That is the reason why the seats, the Constitution emphasizes in paragraphs D and E that the reserved seats can only be proportionate. However, it creates an exception vis-a-vis the independents joining within that period, right? Now, if that is an exception to the basic principle, and the basis of the principle is the will of the people as expressed in favor of each political party, right? So then it seems to me that on a fair reading of it, the proviso is a proviso and not a substantive.
उस तरह भी ले लें अगर, if I may.
Now, it seems to me your position is get me into parliament.
No, my lord, no.
I don't care
My position is-
whether I get in as PTI or as SIC.
My position is simply this.
That seems to be your...
No, my position ultimately is this.
The bottom line as far as you are
Yes,
concerned.
because now they're alter egos. SIC and the PTI are now alter egos. That's the tracing.
That's what you're saying.
That's the tracing my lord
Mr.
was
Salman,
referring
this is a
to.
very important
Yes,
point.
yes.
The proportional representation is ensuring that people who have won the seats in the system the balance would not be affected.
Yes.
That's why you cannot introduce a third party which never jumped into the election process. देखें ना, समझ नहीं चाह रहे हैं उसी को, और बल्कि उसका जवाब भी आप दे दें कि suppose SIC is not a political party. Could you just answer this question for us, which is bothering, speaking for myself? My understanding of proportional representation is that it will only go to political parties, they'll get the share which they have earned or what they have won. What happens to the remaining seats? What do you say on that?
Before you answer that, if I may follow up with what my learned colleague is asking, that because the question I've asked, and I intend to ask the other side also, can form defeat substance?
Yes, Manoj.
This is
It cannot.
This is to me one of the questions that lies at the heart of the very unusual circumstances of this particular general election.
Absolutely.
Can form defeat substance?
Manoj, may I respond now?
Now, add these two questions and
You don't want to, you following, at least you are following Mr. Faisal Siddiqui in one thing. You don't want to respond to my question.
No, I do, Manoj.
So can you, I'll repeat it for you. And please don't interrupt. When the election took place and independents, PTI members, whoever, whatever you want to call them, they got elected. There were two goals before them, or maybe there were others also. There was a subsisting political party, legally subsisting political party called PTI. There was another subsisting political party which people knew what it was about. There was another subsisting political party, Sunniyat Council, which probably nobody knew about it. I didn't even know this name till later. Maybe others were better informed and they knew about it. Why, when both these political parties were equally placed, if we assume that they, so then why didn't you elect to go to PTI? Why did you elect to go? Please answer the question.
I will. And I've tried to answer it before. It was the reality of the situation in which we felt that the future of PTI at that point in time was uncertain.
Reality of the situation is not a constitutional or legal
आपने
answer.
हमसे पूछा ना, why did you make this decision?
So legal बात जवाब
No,
मत
legal ये था कि we felt that this is equally good. Our position was, and that is what I'm arguing.
दो. You're using word opposition, felt,
No, my lord, ask
reality.
me a question.
Why don't you say ayn,
Our
law?
constitutional understanding was that there is no impediment to our joining the SIC, and my lords will decide that question.
Whether it was party decision or it was decision of the individual.
No, it was the party decision, sir. Why would 87 people join the same SIC on one day? It was the party's decision, and the party felt on a reading of the constitution.
Any minutes of meeting of the party? Who decided it? Whether it's cabinet decided or general council decided? Who decided?
Or that Faisal Saab will be able to provide, and PTI will be able to provide. Aapne sawal pucha hai, I will try and get the document. But what is clear is that 87 elected members who had been declared independent.
आगे बढ़े चले
मुझे अर्ज
वो आप जवाब नहीं दे रहे हैं आगे बढ़े
जवाब मेरा ये है कि we felt on our reading of
I'm using the word we felt
on our reading of the constitution, or let me rephrase it, our reading of the constitution was that there is no impediment to the 87 members declared independent joining the
Declared
SIC.
independent by whom?
was there
By the
impediment
election
to join
See,
PTI
this
No,
is the
Mr.
thing.
Salman, ये
You
जो
were
explanation है,
always
Mr.
a member
Salman,
of
ये Rule 94 की explanation आप
You
देखिए
were never
क्या है?
independent.
Rule
But
94
always
की
PTI.
explanation.
You see, your form is, if I understand it correctly, always said you are PTI.
Yes.
So your question of joining PTI, speaking for myself, didn't arise.
So my
ये राजा
Election
साहब,
Commission was
एक
pushing you in this direction.
Raja Saab, as I
quite so, my lord, the
understand,
election commission was not accepting us as
Raja
to see what
Saab, as
they
I
say on this.
understand, you have placed it on record, 2nd February 2024, Election Commission's order
Yes.
declared all of you as independents, and that, speaking for myself, they grossly misinterpreted the judgment of this court,
I agree.
and
I bow.
entirely on that basis, they declared you independent. Why should the people be prejudiced?
Yes.
Because a wrong interpretation of this court. It has to be corrected.
Of the
So
election
you
commission.
have to take a clear stance.
Yes, that is what I'm submitting.
Or in other
Not have been a more important issue than
Mr.
this one.
Salman,
or in other words, whether the election commission
My lord, I'm sorry.
in terms of explanation,
If I may take that
in
question.
terms of explanation to Rule 94,
Yes, sir.
how could you join other party when you had no symbol? And number two, in the presence of this explanation, this case is required to be heard along with that review petition, so that whole scenario should come before this court.
That is for my lords to decide. So my submission is that since we had been declared
No,
independent,
whether my question is whether the election commission has got any power, any authority under the Election Act or rules to declare somebody independent or a party affiliated candidate.
ठीक हो गया?
उनका इख्तियार है?
They took this
नहीं,
position.
एक मिनट, पहले सवाल कीजिए, हाँ या ना में उनका
Yes, they said Rule 94 empowers them to do that.
इतना आपसे पूछ रहे हैं कि उनके पास कानून में कोई इख्तियार है कि एक शख्स कहे कि मैं पार्टी एफिलेटेड हूँ और वो कहे नहीं आप इंडिपेंडेंट हो, क्या ये इख्तियार है उनके पास?
हमारी नजर में तो गलत था, इसीलिए हम हाई कोर्ट गए।
आपको चैलेंज करना चाहिए।
सर हम गए, हाई कोर्ट गए, इलेक्शन
छोड़
कमीशन
कर
गए,
कितना करे, आप
ठीक
गए
हो गया सर,
तो
लेकिन अब आपने ये देखना है कि देयर इज अ सिचुएशन situation in which the Election Commission, which is the highest authority
आप
for...
गए थे हाई कोर्ट?
जी जी, हाई कोर्ट ही भी तो हमने...
ये तो ये गए थे।
नहीं, हम गए थे रूल 94 को चैलेंज करने। We challenged
ये
the-
आप ये जो इम्प्यून जजमेंट में आप पिटिशनर थे,
नहीं सर, I went separately challenging this explanation to rule 94.
वही पुरानी बात कर रहे हैं,
वही
वो और हाई कोर्ट वाली,
जी, जी,
फिर
वही
वो
बात, जी,
आपने
जी।
ऑफिस ऑब्जेक्शन मान
जी, जी,
लिया।
वही बात। So my submission
नहीं तो
is-
मैं आपको दोबारा सवाल पूछ रहा हूँ, आप इंडिपेंडेंटली इलेक्शन कमीशन ऑफ पाकिस्तान का फैसला, जैसे कि सुन्नी इत्तेहाद काउंसिल ने चैलेंज किया, आपने चैलेंज किया पेशावर हाई कोर्ट में,
इलेक्शन
हाँ या ना?
जी, इलेक्शन कमीशन का फैसला आया 7 फरवरी को हमारे पास।
किया या नहीं किया सर?
नहीं किया।
बस थैंक यू, आगे बढ़।
और हम आए,
आप आगे बढ़े, कोई बात
ठीक है सर, और हम आए हाई कोर्ट के फैसले के खिलाफ कि इलेक्शन कमीशन तो वायरीज ऑफ रूल चैलेंजिंग देख ही नहीं सकता।
फिर अब अलग सवाल है, दो अलग
आपका ये
सवाल है।
पहला प्रोपोजिशन हमें आपने कर लिया, आपका अगला प्रोपोजिशन
जी, सो मेरा प्रोपोजिशन ये है कि व्हेन दिस आर्टिकल 51(6) is interpreted, form must not defeat the essence. The purpose here is to allow a representative National Assembly to come into existence. And with great respect to my Lord Justice Munib Akhtar, my submission, my Lord, will...
Form or substance कौन से because mixing form and substance interchange.
चले
इसी को
सॉरी,
बात कर रहे थे। My submission is that the purpose of the proviso is to enable independents to join for the sole purpose of having weight in the election of the reserved seats, because they can join otherwise. But if their joining is to be inconsequential as far as reserved seats are to be elected, and the word is elected, then the entire purpose of placing this proviso in Article 51(6)
सलमान साहब,
and he is lost.
आपसे पहले एक सवाल पूछा, इसका जवाब नहीं आ रहा। वो let's look at it differently. For a minute, let's assume that SIC is not a political party for this purpose. My stress is on the proportional representation. My understanding of it so far is that proportional representation means whatever they have won, they get that much, not a extra seat.
Including the independents.
Including the, so in this case, just want to understand that if SIC were not a political party, the political parties will get exactly what they won, उसके ratio percentum पे उनको मिल गया, बाकी जो votes होंगे वो कहाँ जाएंगे, reserve seats कहाँ जाएंगी?
I take guidance from an observation by my Lord Justice Atar Manila. What if all members elected were independents?
आप हमसे क्वेश्चन ना करें, जवाब
मैं उनका
चलिए, फिर उसका जवाब दे दें।
So therefore what would happen?
Yes.
So my Lord had correctly asked that if everybody were to be an independent in the National Assembly, and that's a theoretical possibility, where would the reserved seats go? And my answer is they will go to no one.
So that's unrepresented रहेंगे ना?
Then it will have to. So there is a lacuna here which needs to be.
देखिए, पहली बात, बहुत खतरनाक चीज होती है अगर सुप्रीम कोर्ट मफरूजों पे केस स्टाइल करे। हमारे सामने एक केस आया है,
इस केस में
उसके
issue नहीं है।
उसमें रहिए, अगर दूसरा उसके वो नौयत का केस आएगा, हम उसका फैसला आज नहीं सुनाएंगे।
बिल्कुल ठीक है। So my position is that in the facts of this case, this issue does not arise.
Raja Saab, only for my understandings, though the 2nd February 2024, where the Election Commission has grossly misinterpreted this court's judgment, can this court does not have the power to at least say that it is per incurium? And if it is per incurium and it is declared, then you see it resolves all this issue.
Yes, and if I may take this further, I'm going to very quickly go through 14 judgments, 2 lines each. In Benazir Bhutto's second case, PLD 89, Supreme Court 66, this court...
तब आप एक उन कैंडिडेट्स में तो नहीं है जो आजाद बकौल आपके आजाद जीते थे?
नहीं, ये reserve
नहीं सर,
आप रिजर्व से, तो आप उनके आर्गुमेंट्स कैसे उनके लिए कर रहे हैं?
सर मैं क्वेश्चन ऑफ लॉ आप कर रहा हूँ, आपको होलिस्टिक एक अंडरस्टैंडिंग कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन की,
बनाया जाए
सर
कैंडिडेट,
कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन की,
हमें सिर्फ कह देते हैं आप इनको बना।
सर हम कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन को पढ़ रहे हैं इस वक्त. Kindly allow me to read the constitution holistically and then we'll come to the various remedies for each different category of petitioner. But kindly see what my Lord Justice Manila is saying. My Lord, if I may have your attention, in PLD 89, Supreme Court 66, while deciding the case, there the issue was that an amendment was made to the Political Parties Act 1962, whereby it was said that political parties will be allotted symbols on the basis of lots. The symbols will be plucked out of a hat and given to different political parties. While examining that question, whether that amendment was lawful or not, the court looked at various rules and regulations and gave decisions regarding various rules, regulations, provisions which it felt came in the way of Article 17. So there is nothing stopping your lordships from examining the question of Rule 94 all over again. Your lordships have power under Article 187 to do complete justice, whatever question
Mr.
of law.
Salman, that brings us to what Justice Atta Minullah is saying earlier, and I think it was echoed otherwise also. Maybe you could have just started off by saying, if there is any possibility, and I would like to hear and understand that in the, under the rubric of complete justice, do you think this matter could be considered in that
think it can
context?
be.
आपने तो उस तरफ आए नहीं ना, आप
सर,
तो
मैं
अपनी बहस की बात शुरू
नहीं, सर,
कर
मैं पूरी
दी।
बात कर
आप
रहा हूं।
हमें ये पूरी होलिस्टिक यूनिक सिचुएशन को हम कंप्लीट जस्टिस को इन्वोक कर सकते हैं कि आई एम नॉट क्लियर,
कर सकते
बट उस पे तो आप बात ही नहीं करते।
मैं कर रहा हूं सर, मैं आ रहा हूं। देखिए,
कब आएंगे?
मैं शुरू हुआ हूं जो एक सिचुएशन है कि we were treated as independents and we've joined SIC.
अगर सपोज
याद दिला रहा हूँ, पूरा 1 घंटा हो गया।
Sir, I'm very grateful. Sir,
अगर सपोज हम
आपने अभी भी इस पे नहीं आना था अगर हम आपको
नहीं सर, मैंने रिटन नोट बनाया है,
नहीं, तो
उसमें
आप
सब कुछ
हमें
है।
समझाइए कि इस सारे स्कोप को खोलने के लिए क्या हम उसको इन्वोक कर सकते हैं या नहीं कर
मैंने
सकते?
सर ये इसी की पेपर बुक बनाई थी
सुने,
जो मैं
अगर-
आपको दे रहा हूं जजमेंट्स की।
आप कह रहे कर सकते हैं, सपोज हमने कर लिया है, सपोज हम करते हैं, तो उसका क्या रिजल्ट
इसका
होगा?
नतीजा ये होगा कि पीटीआई के नॉमिनेशन पेपर्स जिन्होंने फाइल किए, पीपल हु डिक्लेयर्ड देमसेल्व्स पीटीआई इन देयर नॉमिनेशन पेपर्स, दे शुड बी ट्रीटेड एज पीटीआई. And we say that whatever has happened subsequently,
No one is before us amongst them.
Sir,
वो आके बात ही नहीं कर रहे, वो कह रहे हम नहीं जाना चाहते हैं, वो तो
नहीं, कोई ऐसा नहीं कह रहा सर, आप जस्टिस
देखिए,
कर सकते
problem ये
हैं
आ रहा है ना,
formulation.
फिर दूसरी बात ये होगी उसके साथ जो बार अच्छी बात है कि आपने ये बात कर दी, क्योंकि फैसल सिद्दीकी साहब को कॉन्फ्लिक्ट नजर नहीं आ रहा था, तो फिर सुन्नी इत्तेहाद काउंसिल 0 मेंबर पार्टी हो जाएगी, यकीनन खुश नहीं होगी ना।
नहीं, वो नाराज भी नहीं होंगे।
नहीं, तो अब ये देखिए ना, ये देखिए, हम आइन पे चलते हैं।
So let's just
ये बहुत
interpret the
बड़ा
Constitution.
आपका कॉन्फ्लिक्ट है, आप लोग इसको रियलाइज नहीं
सलमान
कर
साहब इसको
Read the
एक
Constitution.
सेकंड अप्रिशिएट कर लें कि हम जो आपसे कंप्लीट जस्टिस की बात कह रहे हैं, जैसे अता मिल्ला ने भी जिक्र किया पहले,
साबिर शाह केस में
वी अंडरस्टैंड द इंपॉर्टेंस ऑफ दिस मैटर, बट फिर उसमें आप प्रॉब्लम्स देखिए ना, हम कंप्लीट जस्टिस जैसे मतलब खेल साहब ने कहा, हम उस तरफ चलते हैं फॉर एग्जांपल, फिर आप आगे देखें कॉन्ट्रैक्ट, पीटीआई हमारे सामने नहीं है, इंडिपेंडेंट्स ने एफिडेविट्स दे के कहा है कि हम नहीं हैं जी, हम इंडिपेंडेंट्स हैं, हम नई पार्टी पीटीआई के साथ, कहाँ ले जाएंगे सारे स्टेप्स? एक सेकंड सुन लेना, वो कहाँ ले जाएंगे? और फिर आप और फैसल साहब दोनों एसआईसी की ब्रीफ पे खड़े हैं, तो हम सारा कंप्लीट जस्टिस हवा में हो रहा होगा, कैसे होगा? हमें समझ नहीं आ रही है।
अगर वो सब हमारे सामने होते, यहाँ पे रोना
कोई भी
धोना
प्लेयर ही नहीं है कंप्लीट जस्टिस को
देखिए,
कंप्लीट करने के
ये
लिए।
जितने लोग हैं इंडिपेंडेंट जिसको कह रहे हैं, वो अगर आज हम सब हमारे सामने होते, सलमान साहब सुनने, आज अगर हमारे सामने होते, रोना धोना कर देते, मजबूरी बता देते कि हम इस मजबूरी के तहत गए, उस मजबूरी के तहत, फिर भी तो कोई बात
तो
होती।
कल फाइल कर सकते हैं 184.
किसने मना किया?
We have to do justice here. This is a very important.
चले वो
इतना जनरल बातें ना करें।
184.3 में
नेक्स्ट पॉइंट
Emotional speech is one thing
I'm
and
not
legal
doing that.
argument is a
Sir,
separate thing.
legal argument
We are
is-
telling you
Go on with the
repeatedly.
next
ठीक हो
point.
गया सर, we'll consider this and we may file a petition.
No, you
under 184.
please,
वो तुम कर
आप
सकते
अपना
हैं
केस आर्ग्यू करें।
जी. So my case so far before your lordships is this. Sir, my case that I've submitted.
नहीं, हमने 3 पॉइंट्स नोट किए, चौथा बताइए।
नहीं सर, मैं फिर जरा समराइज कर दूं। 3 पॉइंट मेरे ये हैं।
वो हम नोट कर लिए, डोंट समराइज पॉइंट, गिव द नेक्स्ट पॉइंट इफ देयर इज एनी।
So my submission is that the clauses D and E provide a framework for election to the reserved seats, and the weight to be given to each political party is the weight that each political party has in the National Assembly after the independents have joined it, and the word each must be interpreted in order to give effect to the purpose, which is that those who are there in the National Assembly as members, their presence must not be futile. So if we say that this only applies to those who have joined a party with at least one member, then what do we see? So if 87 people joined one member, 88 have weight, but if those 87 join each other, form a new party or join a party which has no member, those 87 lose weight entirely.
So summing up your argument, the political party need not have contested election. It could be off the shelf and you bring it and join it. ये बात समझ आ गई. और दूसरे में ये कह रहे हैं कि अगर ये political party नहीं है और unrepresented रह गए तो रह सकते हैं.
जी. And
ठीक हो. ये दो बातें थी ना.
the reason I say this is that the entire structure of the jurisprudence laid down by this court based on Article 17, since at least Nawaz Sharif's case or even earlier Benazir Bhutto's case, in fact 88 Supreme Court and then 89, is that political parties are to be encouraged. So I would submit that Article 51(6)(d) and E is an expression of that intent, that purpose within the Constitution, that political parties should be within Parliament, and in order to encourage independents to join or form a political party.
लेकिन यहाँ पे तो आप डिस्करेज कर रहे हैं उन पॉलिटिकल पार्टीज को जिन्होंने अवाम से वोट लिए हैं।
नहीं सर, डिस्करेज नहीं कर रहे,
उसमें जाए जो
नहीं सर, इनको ये कह रहे हैं कि तुम इंडिपेंडेंट मत रहो, ज्वाइन सम पार्टी,
some party in the parliament, not
नो, ये
outside the
कहाँ लिखा
parliament.
हुआ है इन पार्लियामेंट में? यही सिर्फ सवाल है।
One on a slight technical note, you cannot speak even on behalf of PTI. You are engaged by a Ms. Kamal Shahzad.
Sir, I also speak as an officer of the court interpreting the Constitution.
अब इतना तो ना करें ना. You have not even bothered to array PTI as a party, which is very surprising. How can you speak on their behalf? I don't know what
Sir,
they want or don't want.
Sir, I'm speaking on behalf of the Constitution now. I'm submitting.
Speaking for myself, I wanted you to argue the case as an amicus. But then I was told that no, because you have personally contested, so you can't be an amicus. So please, ये आप ना बोलें. You have a brief. You have a brief. Please, आप अपने brief पे रखिए.
मैं brief में ये सब आ रहा है. I'm not saying anything which contradicts my position in my petition. I'm submitting.
आपकी petitioner क्या चाह रही है? जरा ये बता दें.
मेरी petitioner दो बातों के लिए तैयार है. Either we be treated or she be treated as a PTI candidate, and the PTI list that was filed.
चलिए हम आपकी पहली प्रेयर मान लेते हैं कि आप PTI candidate.
ठीक है, एक मिनट, then it will follow for everybody else that whoever filed as a PTI candidate should be treated as a PTI member of National Assembly, and the list that was filed in December, that list be allowed to be supplemented, in which case, according to the law, we would add to that list and members would get elected. That is one way forward.
Can we direct any party to give affiliation to any person?
No, one way would be to declare us as PTI because our nomination papers are PTI.
You are.
That's a declaration then that despite the Election Commission's order,
Any declaration?
Mr. Salman Ghazi, if I may.
the Election Commission's
If I
order
may-
is in the
If I
way.
may interrupt you and ask a question from Mr. Faisal Siddiqui. That this prayer that is now being made before us, would you oppose it or would you accept it? Assuming that the court makes such a declaration.
What is the prayer?
That we be treated as PTI, and our original list that PTI filed, that list be treated as a list for section 104, and we be allowed to add to that list.
prayer class पढ़ लें जरा.
Where is this prayer?
Prayer पढ़ लें.
Let's see how you can respond to it without seeking instructions.
No, I can respond.
Would you accept it or would you?
But is this the prayer? Because
No, Malad, this is something your lordships can pass any order on the facts and circumstances of the case. This is something that is
पहले prayer पढ़ लें अपनी.
my first response, my lord, is this is not the prayer. It cannot be the prayer because it's a CPLA arising out of the impugned judgment. It is CP. So, yes. So, as far as I'm aware. My second response is, my lord, my position is that these reserved seats should go to SIC.
SIC में आप इनको लिस्ट में शामिल करेंगे.
वो तो ले लेंगे एफिडेविट.
इनको बात खत्म.
जी हमने कभी डिनाई नहीं. मैंने कहा I'm not denying.
Sir, issue दो हैं जो आपकी. It is from your observations that I have come up with this. Your lordship's observations have suggested two ways forward. Our case originally was simply this.
अब अपना केस आगे करें.
हमारा केस
हमारा
तो
काम
यही
नहीं है
है.
आपका केस.
हमारा केस तो यही है कि we have lawfully, in accordance with the Constitution, we are entitled to be treated ultimately
Please,
as candidates of the SIC.
got your point. Next point.
So that is one submission. Then, my lord, I move on to what my lord has called the falsafa, but that is very important in interpreting this 51(6)(d) and E. And I'll just quickly point to these judgments without reading anything. Kindly see this paperwork before your lordships.
आप हमें बता दें प्रिंसिपल्स क्या हैं, जजमेंट्स.
Principles ये हैं.
पूरा सुप्रीम कोर्ट बैठा हुआ है, आप हमें जजमेंट्स पढ़ा रहे हैं.
Judgments आपकी.
क्या आप बता देना ये प्रिंसिपल है, हम नोट कर
The
लेंगे.
principle ये है कि in interpreting any part of the Constitution, in particular those that deal with elections, this court will give primacy to the role of political parties. And when independents have joined a political party, their joining that political party will not be rendered consequenceless through an interpretation of the word each or such. It is the holistic reading. After 3 days, there is a political party.
We completely agree with you.
Yes.
But then you should contest on PTI, not SIC.
तो मैं बात कर रहा हूं, आप देख लीजिएगा. My position is there was no barrier. Our position is that there was no constitutional barrier to us joining the SIC. After 3 days, SIC has a certain number of
Salman
members.
Sahab, we're fine with that. I mean, we're trying to explore the idea that SIC could be a political party, and there is perhaps looking at the constitution and having a pro-democratic kind of interpretation, we could start thinking that any political party off the shelf which is listed
Yes.
could be considered to be a political party of 51. Two things stand in the way, and I want you to address that. One is that when we talk about proportional representation system, this is perhaps talking about all those political parties that have joined, stepped down in the foray of elections. Whether or not we are clear kare. Does it talk about all sorts of parties which are on the shelf? Because proportional representation ka concept hi trigger nahi karega if it does not maintain a balance between the people who come into the house, number one. Number two, 3 days they've to take a decision. Don't you think that the electorate should have seen that political party in the electioneering process for them to know who's in the election process and the independent has joined in, rather than out of the blue comes a party that the independent joins? So लगता है ये कि the flow goes in the favor.
Let me now.
इसको जरा clear करें.
Let me respond now, Lord. Lord, to say that there should have been a party in the fray, no matter how small, maybe a party in the fray which fights for one seat, doesn't even win that one seat, that somehow entitles people to join it, independents to join it, and have this large impact on the election of reserved seats. But if those independents form another party, which may otherwise be active in society, there are many political parties that don't contest elections because they don't have the money, they have a view, an ideology, a message, but they're not yet in a position to contest an election. So one of those parties, these independents join. By doing that, they
ये
lose.
पीछे से कौन तस्वीर ले रहा था? ये खातून बैठी हैं क्या ग्रीन चीज से फोन पिक्चर ले रही हैं? आपसे बात कर रहे हैं जो पीछे मुड़ के देख रही हैं आप. जी. What? Stand up. What are you in your hand?
Diaries. Diaries.
जरा इनका देखिए वो फोन में देखिए क्या कर रहे हैं. You know what was the green light that shone? Huh? अच्छा, we'll just come in a little while. You देख लें इनका. और मैं जो सलमान साहब प्लीज रैप इट अप.
जी मैं कर रहा हूँ सर. देखिए सर, मुझे सवाल बड़ा इंपॉर्टेंट है. This is the heart of the matter. This is absolutely.
We just take a short break. You may not be tired.
हार्ट बड़ी देर से
We are slightly older than you.
जा रहे हैं.
हार्ट कमजोर होता जा
We're
रहा है.
moving around this heart, and inshallah we'll strengthen it.
This has to be understood.
This is the main point, my lord, in all of this. Is the constitution some kind of a procedural rigmarole? You join a party with one member and 87 people have weight. You join a party otherwise and you have zero weight. That is what we're dealing with.
But what I understand, this is not your case.
Actually,
Sir, it is my case, sir. It is my
You just want to be member of the.
Sir, in a
we'll take a slightly longer break to let you refresh yourself, and sort of 2:30 or 2:35.
As my lord, please.
2:40 कर लेते हैं, ठीक है?
Very kind.